Hi guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Welcome to day 5 of my 7 days of Halloween. I hope you guys have been enjoying the looks so far. I know I say this all the time, but yeah, please, I hope you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you can always, catch up on all my videos, and at the same time, so you don't miss the remaining 2 looks I have. Comment down below, tell me which of these looks have been your favorite so far. Anyways, enough rambling, let's jump into the tutorial.
Okay guys, so first off I'm just going to take this sellotape and I'm going to tape down the far end of my eyelid, so just to kind of give that drooping look on that side of my face, because that's where the scar is going to be. So now this is the scar that I made earlier. I'm just trying to do placements to know where exactly I want to place this, where and how I want to place the scarring on my face. So once I am done with that, I'm just going to apply some Prose cream at the back of the scar, and I'm going to just allow that get tacky while I apply the nose prosthetics. So I got this was from a lecturer of mine when I was in Del York University or Del York School. She gifted me and some of us with this. So this is like a foam prosthetics. So anyways, I've applied it on my nose area with the Prose cream. So now I'm just trimming out or trimming off all the edges. Guys, this thing was a little bit uncomfortable because the space for breathing through was, the nose area was quite small. So anyways, yeah, so now going into my Graftorian's liquid latex, I'm just going around the edges just to kind of seal and solidify them, so they kind of rhyme or blend into my skin. So now I'm just going to stipple on the Prose 8 cream on top of this prosthetics, so the whatever color that I'm going to put on it would adhere very well. So now the Prose cream has gotten tacky. I'm just going to place that on my head area. So yeah, once I'm done, I'm going back into that liquid latex and I'm going to just blend out all the edges or make the edges rhyme into my skin. So now time for paint job. So I'm going to first go down with white, and I'm going to paint every single thing white. Then once I'm done painting white, I'm just going to go on top of that white with black, because I didn't want the bear to be like stark white. So I'm going on top of it with black to just change the color to gray. So yeah. going to be painting the nose area black. Going into my black face paint, I'm going to paint the entire nose area black. So now going into my stipple sponge, I went into my the red face paint from that my palette, and I kind of applied the red into all the deep spots on the scar just to enhance them. So now going with my SFX stipple sponge, I'm just stippling some red into that prosthetics. So now once I'm done with that, I'm taking this scab blood and I'm just applying it to the deepest parts, to the deepest scars on my face. So they kind of create like more depth, and yeah. So after that, I'm just finishing off the lip, and we're almost done. So to further add some goriness, and yeah, I'm just going to add some drips of blood, and then I'm going to take some pink eyeshadow and purple just to stipple around it to kind of create um, bruising, or a really painful effect around the bruising. So now going into my Kryolan rigid collodion, I'm just going to apply that on my lower lash line, dragging it down. Guys, please be careful if you're trying to do something like this. Yo, this thing burned, like it was so hot and uncomfortable, my goodness. But anyways, please be careful when you're putting the collodion anywhere close to your eye, because your eyes are really sensitive. So anyways, once I'm done with that, or once the collodion is dry, I'm just going to take that red and just apply into the deep crevices of that artificial scarring that we just did. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for my next video. Bye.